Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 4 of learning how to sign the original hymn, Amazing Grace. Today I won't be teaching you any specific signs, but we'll be walking through the version that we're signing tomorrow with the music. So we're signing a version that has 5 of the verses, and it's an a cappella version. I think you're really going to like it. If you haven't printed off the lyrics, you can find that in the description. Remember, I'm left-handed. That means if you're right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. And last but not least, please consider subscribing. Okay, so from the top, amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found, or I am found. Was blind, but now I see. And then 'twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. And then through many dangers, toils, and snares, I have already come, right? I've already suffered through those. That 'twas grace that brought me safe thus far, and grace will lead me, and then home, remember, is heaven. That's what we're talking about when we say home. And then the Lord has promised good to me. His word my hope secures. He will my shield and portion be as long as life endures. And then we don't sign, yea, when this flesh and heart shall fail, or the verse that starts with, the earth shall soon dissolve like snow. We're going to go to the very end. When we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun. Oh, we have no less days. We have forever to sing God's praise, like when we'd first begun. Or you can do like when we first begun. And that's a walkthrough, guys. So if you need to, do this video a couple times. I try to walk through just a little slower than the music to kind of help get you there. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video when we sign with the music. Bye. God commands us in the Bible to not be discouraged. And I just want to remind you that God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. So stick with it. You'll get there. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.